Dear student, how are you? Welcome to my channel Math from Basic. I have to solve the exercise 1A of this mathematics, and I have already solved question number 1. You can see that. Now I am going to solve question number 2. Find the first 5 multiples of the following number. These numbers are given here, and he is asking us that we have to find the first 5 multiple. It means that we have to find the table of these numbers up to 5 only. So now we are going to find the first 5 multiples, and let us see how to find it. This student, we have to find the multiple of 15 and only first 5 multiple. For this you if you know the table, you can write simply the table, but if you don't know the table, you will find the multiple by multiplying this by 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now if you multiply 15 by 5, 1 multiply by 15, you will get 15. Now multiply it by 2, 15 multiply by 2, you will get 30. If you can't multiply this, you know that write here 15 and then multiply it by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 here and 1 carry here, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3, so 30 is our answer. Similarly, I have written here 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 30. Now 3 multiplied by 15, if you know, you can easily write 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45, but if you don't know table, you have to multiply along the side. 15 multiplied by 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 here, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, so 45 is our answer. Now multiply 4 by 15, you know that it is 60. If you don't know, then multiply 15 by 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 0 here and 2 is carry, and 4 1s are 4 and 2 6, so 60 is here. Now multiply 15 by 5, 5 here and 15 here, you will get 75. And if you don't know, then you can multiply here 15 multiply by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 carry here and 5 1s are 5 and 2 7, so 75 is the answer. So you can write 75 here. We have find out the multiples of 15 up to 5. 1 2 3 4 5, these are first 5 multiple of 15. From these answers, now you will write multiple of 15. Multiples of 15 are equal to 15, this one 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. You should know that these are up to 5 only. If he asks you up to 6, up to 7, you will multiply further and you will find the further multiple as well. Now we have to find out the multiples of 28. Let us find multiple of 28. We know that when 1 is multiplied by 28, it is equal to 28. And if 2 is multiplied by 28, what will we get? If we don't know, we will simply multiply 28 by 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry here, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 56, so 56 is here. Now 3 multiply by 28. To find the third multiple, what will be? Multiply that 28 multiplied by 3, 3 8s are 16, 6 here, 1 carry here, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 76. So you will write here 76. Now 4 multiplied by 28, what you will get? Multiply that, multiply 28 by 4. Now 4 8s are 32. You will write here. If you don't know how to write, then you will write along here 32. Always circle the first one and write the later one. This 2 will be written here, and this 3 is our carry. You will write it here. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 112. So you will write here 112. Now 5 multiplied by 28, you will get what? You can divide as you can multiply. So multiply here 28 and 5. 5 8s are 40. You will write here 0 and 4 is your carry, and 5 2s are 10. 10 and 4 14. So 140. You will write here 140. These are 5 multiple of 28. You can write its answer now. These are 2 easy sums. It is simple basic. Now you can write multiples of 28 up to 5, because your question is asking us that we have to find the multiple of 28 up to 5 only. 1 2 3 4 5, these are multiple of 28. Then 56, then 76, this one, then 112, then 140. These are multiple of 28 up to 5 only. Sorry dear student, this multiplication is wrong. 3 8s are 24. Sorry for that. 3 8s are 24. You will write 4 here, and 2 will be your carry, and 3 2s are 6. 6 and 2 8. So here will be 84. Here you will also write 84, and then here will be also 84. This was mistake, and you know that we are human and the error is due human, so mistake can be possible for with us. So you have to check every question while you have solved it. You should must check every question after solving that, so that you can see whether there is any mistake or not. Now let us see next part. Now we have to find the multiples of 53. You know that 1 multiplied by 53 is 53. Too much easy multiple that we can draw easily. Now for second multiple, 2 multiplied by 53, how you will get it? You will multiply simply 53 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 30. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So it will be 106. Now third multiple, 3 multiplied by 53. So you write here 53 and multiply it by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. 1 5 9. Now by 4 multiplied by 53. Similarly you will multiply this 53 by 4. You will get 4 3s are 12. 1 carry here. 4 5s are 20. 20 here 1. 21. So it is 212. Now 5 multiply by 53. You will get what? 53 multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 25 and this one 26. So answer will be 2 6 5. This is 2. So 2 6 5. These are first 5 multiple of 53. 1 2 3 4 5. So write multiples of 53 as multiples of 53 are equal to this one 53, then 106, then 159, 159, then 212, and then 265. Dear students, let us find the factor of multiples of 60. It is D part. You know that 1 multiplied by 60 is equal to 60. This is first multiple. To find the second multiple, you will multiply 2 by 60. Multiply 2 by 60 here. 60 multiplied by 2. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 are 30. Sorry, 2 6 are 12. 120. Now 3 multiplied by 60. Right here 60 multiplied by 3. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 6 are 18. So 180. When multiplied by 3, now multiplied by 4, you will get 60 multiplied by 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 240. Now 5 multiplied by 60. What will be 60 multiplied by 5? 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. So 300. These are 5 multiples of 60. Now write these multiples of 60 are equal to this one 60, then 120, then 180, then 240, then 300. These are first 5 multiples of 60. Dear student, now there is E part. We have to find first 5 multiples of 33. 1 multiplied by 33 is equal to 33, and 2 multiplied by 33 is equal to what? We will multiply that. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. It is 66. And when you multiply 33 by 3, you will get 99. 33 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. It is 99. So 4 multiplied by 33, you will get what? 4. 4 3s are 12. And 4 1 carry here. 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. 132. Now 5 multiplied by 33, you will get what? 33 multiplied by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 here 1 carry. 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. 165. These are first 5 multiple of 33. Now write it all together. Multiples of 33 are 33, then 66, then 99, then 132, then 165. These are first 5 multiple of 33. Now let us find multiple of 41. That is the F part of this exercise, question number 2, and I have solved question number 1. You can see the video and you will clearly understand, I think. Now 1 multiplied by 41, you will get first multiple of 41. Now 2 multiplied by 41, you will get 82, I think. 41 multiplied by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So it is 82. Now 3 multiplied by 41, you will get 41 multiplied by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 1, 2, 3. Now 4 multiplied by 41, you will get what? 4 multiplied by 41 multiplied by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 1, 6, 4. Now 5 multiplied by 41, you will get what? 41 multiplied by 5, you will get 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. 2, 0, 5. These are first 5 multiple of 41. Now write the multiple in the form of your answer. Multiples of 41 are equal to 41, then 82, then 123, then 164, then 205. Now question number 2 is completed. I think you are understanding. If you don't understand, you can comment me and you can ask me any basic of math. I will try my best to teach you. Thanks for watching. If you like it, also share it with your friends.